If you have fairly young skin and are simply looking to prevent signs of aging before they occur, you can select a mild anti-aging face serum. Using a product that is rich in vitamins will fight off harmful free radicals and keep your skin nourished, hydrated, and radiant. By keeping the skin healthy and protected, signs of aging can be delayed or perhaps prevented altogether. Be sure to use a sunscreen over the top of your serum every day for the most effective protection and aging prevention. Skin that is plagued with age spots can be treated with an anti-aging face serum that contains vitamin C. Age spots are dark patches on the skin that occur as a result of hyperpigmentation. Vitamin C is believed to help regulate melanin production and prevent or reduce the hyperpigmentation that causes age spots. Using a face serum rich in vitamin C can help visibly fade age spots so they are lighter and less noticeable. It is also beneficial to use a vitamin C face serum if your skin is marked with fine lines and wrinkles. Vitamin C is believed to help increase collagen production, which plumps up the skin and helps fill out wrinkles. Another ingredient that boosts collagen and reduces the appearances of fine lines and wrinkles is vitamin A, also called retinol. Choosing an anti-aging face serum that contains these vitamins can help improve the elasticity of skin, which produces a firming effect that makes you look younger. Another telltale sign of aging skin is a dull, dry complexion. Choosing a serum that is brightening and hydrating can therefore help reduce the signs of aging and make your skin appear younger. Serums that contain glycolic acid are a good choice for brightening skin. Glycolic acid has exfoliating properties that remove the outer layer of dead skin cells that are responsible for dulling your complexion. Getting rid of the dead skin helps unclog pores while revealing the fresher, brighter skin underneath. Dryness is a common feature of aging skin that can also be addressed by an anti-aging face serum. The vitamins and nutrients in most serums impart some hydration, but formulas that contain harsher ingredients such as glycolic acid or dimethylaminoethanol might actually worsen dry skin. If your skin problems do not demand the use of harsh or drying ingredients, they should be avoided and replaced with gentler formulas. Severely aged skin that requires treatment with these particular serums should be generously hydrated with a moisturizing cream in addition to the serum.